how to sign out of Booking.com. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your Booking.com account step by step, so let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. Now, once you're inside the home page of your Booking.com account, you need to go find your profile icon at the top right corner to find the sign out or log out button. In the pop-up menu, scroll all the way down and look for this sign out button. Before signing out of your account, remember you must have your credentials with you so that you can sign into your account again next time. So if you're sure you remember your credential, click sign out and you have successfully been redirected to the home page and now you are logged out. If you are using public or shared device, it is a good practice to log out every time. This keeps your bookings and personal info safe. And that's how you sign out of Booking.com easily. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned for more Booking.com tutorials.